Hello. You wish to take the TOEFL and you need to know what the process and requirements are. Luckily, we have the information for you. GlobalExam explains it all. There are multiple ways to register for the TOEFL test. You can register for the TOEFL by phone, and it is highly recommended to do it 3 business days before your test day. You could also do it by fax at least 7 days prior to your chosen test day. It is possible to register by mail or courier as well. You should fill in the form, get the draft made if the payment is not made through credit card, and submit those documents at least 3 weeks before test day. You can either hand it in by person or by post. Lastly, the quickest method would be to create an account online on official ETS website. You should use an original and valid ID with a recent picture. Your full name on your ID document must be matching exactly with the name you used when TOEFL registration is made. In case you intend to reschedule or cancel your booking, you have to request it 3 days before the test date. The test date or the request day is not included. On the GlobalExam platform, you can train in real exam conditions. You have access to mock exams and exercises following the question types. You can try our platform simply by registering for free.